I think everybody really recognizes in this new era that remote autonomous services are going to be of ever greater importance. We are Geomatix, and we use small unmanned aerial systems to map our planet. I would say our passion is to produce actionable maps and data that further our understanding of our planet and support engineering with nature rather than against it. Our core client base are environmental engineers, civil engineers, and professional land surveyors because they see that they can believe in our data and they can use our data. One of the 4 pillars of sustainability are protection of workers and not placing people into harm's way. And these autonomous services give you actionable data real time without causing potential harm or risk to your workers. We're very, very excited about the opportunity that's being created. I see what we do as growing ever more broadly through society. The core industries, it really is related to cleanup of the environment and redevelopment of the environment and preserving our ecosystem while advancing human development.